Wanna go? Leah's not with it today. I'm gonna just keep it on. It's an Osmara show. I look like a boy every day. How do you think I feel? We should get Alfredo sauce here or at the store closer to the apartment because it's $2 and I'm broke. I'm a broke college student, so I have to be wise about my spending. I wanna go. Come on, Whitney. Sold out. Come on. I'm jealous. Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys. So I am back. I'm gonna do a quick little haul for you guys. So first up, I got this Jamaican black castor oil intensive repair mask, and I'm really excited to try this. If you have any product recommendations, please let me know. This was $8 at TJ Maxx, so I'm looking forward to trying that next week. These resistance bands, and don't talk about the packaging. I tried them on in the store because I really wanted to see if they're gonna be good quality, and I'm looking forward to using these because I could barely use them. So yeah, this was $15. This candle, yeah, I got this candle because I need to buy more essential oils for my diffuser, but until then, this is gonna have to do. Was this foot massager, and it's for my arches because they're very stiff. I don't have an arch, and as a dancer, that's problematic. So I'm gonna be using these. I'm gonna be using this pretty frequently to use on my feet. Was this Aztec clay mask? It's actually Sunday today, so as soon as I turn the camera off, I'm going to do a face mask. Oh, should I do a face mask? Okay. They've seen me do a face mask. They don't need, I've done it like 3 times. But yeah, I'm about to do this face mask because it's Self-Care Sunday. So, thanks for watching this vlog.
On the bus. Psych!
If you wanna put your name on it, oh baby, I like it. You're somebody. I'ma make you my chick. If you wanna put your name on it, oh baby, I like this. It's so excited. I gotta be careful because I be over making this. Like, your face is not that large. Your head is not that big, Christian. Like, be realistic. It's big. but it's not that big. So excited, don't try to hide it. I'm making that shit. Cake. What's your name? Alright guys, so I'm about to sugar wax my armpits. So we're not gonna do too much talking because I just took my shower, looking very buff. Don't hate. So I just finished waxing my armpits, and I feel really good because this is my second time doing it, and I'm getting better and better. But I'm just going to moisturize my whole body, including my armpits, and then I will catch up with you guys afterwards. I'm gonna put this shea butter, this whipped shea butter that I made, put this on as a post wax treatment, and hopefully, because I'm waxing my armpits now, they should get lighter. That is the goal, because I always have some left over anyway. Okay guys, so I think that's the end of this vlog, finally. Like this video, comment below video ideas, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.